Shalom, my people. Shalom, shalom, shalom. I come to you as a motivational speaker for retirement back where you were born. And if you're finding it hard to cope in the cold, you should go somewhere hot to live, because our gene did not make for the cold. We were made for the heat. So if your spirit is saying to you, you should go somewhere hot, you don't have to go back to Jamaica or wherever you come from. You could buy a house in Florida. But I personally wouldn't live in Florida. I'm not going to tell you why, but I personally wouldn't live there. I see this one lady, she was saying that we don't have to go to Jamaica, we should buy a house in Florida. But I would not live in Florida. Nothing wrong with Florida, but I personally wouldn't live there. Now, I think something happened to this returning resident in Jamaica, and the police rule out foul play, and there's a lot of speculation going around. But sometimes we just have to get our facts straight. I personally want to move back home to retire in Jamaica. And if I go with God, no devil, no demon cannot touch me, because I'm going with God. I'm going with my Father up above. He's the one that created me. He's the one that telling me when he know when I'm going to come out of this earth. I know some people have shortly death, like unexplained death, early death, because sometimes it's not yet time for you to die, but you die. But put all your cares in the Lord. He will go with you. Wherever you're retiring, He will go with you. I myself soon retired. I myself soon take early retirement and go home, because I'm not working till I drop. And money is not all. Some people will say to me, oh, you need to make up your pension because your pension going to be short. Money is not all. The Bible said, why gain the world and lose your soul? Some of us Christian do not spend enough time with God. We keep on running down money. Money is not all. Life is all. Worshipping God is all. Spending time with God is all. So if you want to take early retirement, the little that you have, you can survive on it. You're not going to be rich. If the Lord don't want you to rich, you're not going to rich. You can survive on what you have. Don't run down money. Money take you nowhere. Seek God while He's near. When you lie down on your bed, can you spend money? When you lie down sick in your bed, can you spend money? No, you cannot spend it. So, what my advice is, take early retirement. Go back home, go somewhere hot, enjoy your life. We did not come on earth to stay. Nobody come on earth to stay. And every land, house, car, we're going to leave it. Every money in the bank, we're going to leave it. So why grab? Why grab on this earth? Build your house in heaven. Amen? Shalom, my people, shalom.